Hello, I welcome you all to your own channel MSK Learning. Now, here we have a one problem which is related to the linear differential equation. So the problem is on the screen that we have to find out the general solution of the given equation, right? So the solution problem is that solve 1 plus y square dx is equal to tan inverse of y minus x into dy, right? So first of all, we can simplify this equation, means we will write the given equation in a simplified manner, or we can say that in a linear differential equation, right? So on arrangement, we can say the solution, the given equation we can write like this, that is 1 plus y square into dx by dy is equal to tan inverse of y minus x. Is it or not? Now further we can simplify that. We can write in this manner also, 1 plus y square into dx by dx by dy, and this x will come to this side, it will become plus x, is equal to tan inverse of y. Is it right? Now if you compare this equation, this is the linear differential equation of the form that is dx by dy is equal to px plus qy, right? So here we can say the given equation is in the form of dx by dy, that we can say here the above equation is in the form of what? That is in this linear differential equation, that is dx by dy plus p of yx, right, is equal to q of y. Is it or not? Now so here if you compare this, you can see that p is equal to what? P is equal to, we have or further we can simplify this equation like that, we can write this equation will be in this form, that dx by dy plus x by 1 plus y square is equal to tan inverse of y by 1 plus y square, right? So now if you compare this equation with this linear differential equation, it means that p is equal to 1 by y plus 1 by y 1 plus y square, and q is equal to tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. So we can say from the above equation, from the above relation, that p is equal to 1 by 1 plus y square and q is equal to tan inverse of y by 1 plus y square, right? Now so then we can find this, this is the linear differential equation in x, right? So now we can say we'll get the integrating factor, right? So integrating factor is what now? That integrating factor if is equal to, right, e to the power of integration of 1 by 1 plus y square into dy, right? So 1 by 1 plus y square is nothing but the tan inverse y, right? So this is what we got, the e tan inverse of y, right? So integrating factor is this one. Now we can write the general equation. The general solution of the given equation is, so we can say here that general solution of the given equation right, of the given equation is what? Is nothing but you have a x into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor into dy plus c, right? So this is the general equation if the linear differential equation is in the x, right? So now we can simplify. We'll see here further. We move to the next. We can write the equation we have a x into integrating factor, so x is x only, right, and integrating factor we got e to the power of tan inverse of y, right, is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dy. So q is equal to what? Q is equal to tan inverse of y by 1 plus y square into integrating factor is again e to the power of tan inverse of y into dy plus c, right. So this is your required equation right now. Yes, so now we can say again, that is, this will be as it is, x into e to the power of tan inverse of y is equal to, again I am writing this equation that it is hidden, tan inverse of y by 1 plus y square e to the power of tan inverse of y into dy plus c, right. Now, so this is the equation. Now what we can do, this term we have to simplify, right. So for simplification, what I'll do, that I'll take the tan inverse y is equal to t, right. So we can say put tan inverse of y is equal to t. So when I put tan inverse y is equal to t, it means we have to differentiate this dt with respect to the y. So we can say dt by dy is equal to tan inverse of y, that is 1 by 1 plus y square, right. So now we can say, it means that if you simplify, that dt is equal to dy by 1 plus y square, right. So here if you look at this dy by tan 1 plus y square value, we can substitute dt, and tan inverse y is equal to t and e to the power t. So this equation will become like this, that is x into e to the power of tan inverse y, that is e to the power of t. Why? Because tan inverse y is equal to t, right, is equal to, this is what you have, a 1 dy by 1 plus y square is dy by 1 plus y square is equal to dt will write, right. So this is what integration of t into e to the power of t into dt plus c, right. So this is the simplified way, that is what this dy by 1 plus y square will get dt, and tan inverse y is equal to t, and e to the power of tan inverse y means e to the power of t. So the equation will be like this, that t into e to the power t dt plus c, right. So now we can simplify this equation. So this will be x into e to the power of t is equal to, this equation, its simplification will be t minus 1 into e to the power of t plus c, right. So again we can substitute that tan t is equal to tan inverse of y, reverse substitution. So x into e to the power of tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of y minus 1 into e to the power of tan inverse of y plus c, right. So this is your equation, we can say. So now if this tan inverse of y will become to this side, it become the equation we can write like this, that is x is equal to tan inverse of y minus 1, and this e to the power tan inverse y, e to the power tan inverse y will get cancelled, plus c into e to the power of minus of tan inverse of y. So this is the required general solution of the given equation. Thank you.